Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. Those who are new to my channel, let me explain what these episodes meant by. Actually, I am planning a series on which you will be knowing that how NodeMCU acting as Wi-Fi access point, how to create ESP8266 web server, and how to fetch the data from the web server, and how to create a HTML page. So do subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss this series. Second, we're done with the web server and the HTML page. For displaying the output module, I'm using the OLED module. So I will be include the header files of the OLED module as include wire.h and I will include the SSD 1306 wire.h and include SSD 1306 SPI.h. So those who are not aware of using the OLED screen, don't worry. I have made already a project on the OLED interfacing with NodeMCU. You can get this video by the description link. And coming to the void page 2, I will just clear the display first, display.clear, and then display.drawString, and in that string at the location 0,0 I want to print IP address as side heading, IP address, and then click on plus, and I want to print the IP address, so that I am printing Wi-Fi.softapip dot to the string, that's it. And then display dot string 0,10 at the coordinates 0,10. I want to print the output session, output as side heading, and in that output I am giving the server dot argument, that is, as soon as the client given the message, it will be stored in server.arg as I explained in the previous video. So that output I want to print in the OLED screen, so that in that output session I have included that. And then I will initiate display.display, and in void setup I'll just give the display.set font. I'm giving the font size to be displayed on the OLED screen. It's better to give a small a least font, because if a client gives a big message, then it may not be displayed on the OLED screen. So 10 is good enough, and then display.init, and that's it. This is the code. Click on compile and upload the button. Now open your Wi-Fi over any mobile or a laptop, connect to the HobbyKit, and open the Google Chrome or any web browser. As soon as I open the IP address, it will be displaying like welcome to HobbyKit, and enter the text. This is the web page I have designed, and now I am sending hello. Click on submit. Yeah, the hello is successfully printed at the output session of OLED. Similarly, if the second message is given, for example subscribe, The first message will automatically clear and then the second message will be displayed in the OLED. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.